Meal prepping doesn't have to be boring, expensive, or time-consuming. In fact, it can be one of the smartest strategies for taking control of your diet, your schedule, and your budget. If you're a busy professional trying to eat healthier, cut back on spending, and reclaim precious time during the week, this guide is tailor-made for you. Welcome to the ultimate guide to frugal meal prep. Hey everyone, today we're diving into a smart, simple, and budget-friendly approach to prepping your meals like a pro. Whether you're clocking long hours at work, managing side hustles, or simply fed up with overpriced takeout, this guide will show you how to prepare delicious, affordable meals without stress. Let's jump in and transform your weekly routine, one meal at a time. Section 1. Why meal prep? Meal prepping is far more than just a passing trend. It's a smart, effective strategy for busy professionals who want to save time, money, and mental energy. In today's fast-paced world where convenience often leads to unhealthy and expensive food choices, having your meals planned and prepared in advance is a game changer. It helps reduce food waste, cuts down on last-minute takeout runs, and supports healthier eating habits. In fact, the average working professional spends over £60 or $75 per week on takeout meals. With consistent meal prepping, that weekly cost can easily be reduced by half or even more. But the benefits don't stop at savings. When you cook in bulk, you gain full control over your portion sizes, the quality of your ingredients, and, most importantly, your budget. You avoid the daily what's for lunch dilemma and replace it with a ready-to-go meal that saves time and energy. Fewer food-related decisions throughout the week means less stress, a more organized routine, and more mental bandwidth to focus on what truly matters: your work, your goals, and your well-being. Section 2. Start with a plan. Before you dive into meal prepping, you need a solid plan in place. Preparation begins long before you step into the kitchen, and a little thought upfront can save you hours and dollars throughout the week. Here's how to get started. Set a clear meal goal. Decide whether you're prepping lunch for 5 days, just dinners, or a combination of both. Choose 2 to 3 simple, reliable recipes you actually enjoy eating. Check your pantry and fridge first to take inventory and avoid buying items you already have. Create a focused shopping list based on your chosen meals to stay on track and avoid impulse purchases. Pick a prep day that suits your schedule. Sundays and midweek are great options for keeping meals fresh and routines steady. Keep your menu simple and practical. Stick to versatile, budget-friendly ingredients like rice, beans, chicken, pasta, and frozen vegetables. Choose recipes that share ingredients. This reduces cost, prevents waste, and streamlines your prep. With a clear plan in place, you'll set yourself up for a healthier, more efficient, and cost-effective week ahead. Section 3. Smart grocery shopping. Smart grocery shopping is the foundation of effective and frugal meal prepping. With a few simple strategies, you can make your budget go further without sacrificing taste or nutrition. It's all about shopping with intention and being resourceful with every purchase. Here's how to make every pound or dollar count. Buy pantry staples like rice, oats, and lentils in bulk. They're affordable, nutrient-dense, and have a long shelf life. Always check for sales, special offers, and clearance bins. You'll be surprised by the quality items you can get for less. Choose frozen fruits and vegetables. They're often cheaper than fresh, last longer, and retain just as many nutrients. Stick to store-brand items. Most offer the same quality as name brands, but at a significantly lower price. Use cashback and loyalty apps to earn rewards, get discounts, and reduce your grocery bill over time. By following these simple habits, I managed to spend just £30 or $35 for 5 full days of meals, breakfast, lunch, and dinner included. Section 4. Easy, budget-friendly recipes. Let's get cooking. Meal prep doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. With just a couple of hours, you can prepare a week's worth of nutritious, budget-friendly meals that are perfect for a busy professional lifestyle. Here are 3 easy recipes you can make in under 2 hours total. Recipe 1. Chickpea and veggie stir-fry, 5 servings. Canned chickpeas, frozen stir-fry vegetable mix, soy sauce, garlic, and ginger, served over rice. This plant-based dish is packed with flavor and protein, making it a satisfying and affordable lunch or dinner option. Recipe 2. Chicken pasta bake, 4 to 5 servings, whole wheat pasta, shredded rotisserie chicken, tomato sauce, grated cheese. A comforting, protein-rich meal that reheats well and is perfect for those craving something hearty. Recipe 3. Overnight oats, 5 servings, rolled oats, almond milk, banana or frozen berries, chia seeds, and a dash of cinnamon. The ultimate grab-and-go breakfast. Nutritious, customizable, and ready when you are. Stick to one-pot meals when possible to save time on cooking and cleanup. Make double batches and freeze half to stay ahead for next week's meals. Section 5. Storage plus portioning. Now let's talk about storage. One of the most important elements of successful meal prepping. Proper storage not only keeps your meals fresh and safe, but also makes your daily routine smoother and more efficient. After prepping, portion out each meal into individual servings so they're ready to grab and go whenever you need them. Clear labeling is key to staying organized and avoiding food waste. Storage tips. Use glass containers. They're durable, microwave-safe, and help reduce single-use plastic. Mason jars are perfect for storing layered salads, overnight oats, or parfaits. Freeze extra portions in reusable silicone bags. They save space and are more eco-friendly than disposable plastic. Label each container with masking tape and a marker. Include the meal name and prep date to track freshness. Taking just a few extra minutes to portion and label your meals pays off all week long. Your future self will thank you when lunch is hot, nutritious, and ready in just 2 minutes flat. Section 6. Time-saving prep tips. Want to make meal prep even faster and more enjoyable? These simple time-saving tips will help streamline your routine, reduce stress in the kitchen, and make the process feel far less like a chore. Chop all your vegetables at once. Batch prepping ingredients saves time and effort during the week. Use sheet pans to roast large batches of proteins and vegetables. Less mess, more efficiency. Set a timer and turn meal prep into a fun, focused challenge to boost productivity. Cook grains like rice, quinoa, or oats in a rice cooker or Instant Pot to free up stovetop space and cut down on active cooking time. Create themed meal days such as Pasta Monday or Stir Fry Tuesday to simplify your weekly planning and keep meals exciting without overthinking. Add a little joy to the process. Turn on your favorite podcast, light a candle, and make meal prep your new Sunday ritual. It's not just about preparing meals. It's about creating a healthier, more organized lifestyle. Section 7. Common mistakes to avoid. Even with the best intentions, meal prep can quickly become overwhelming if you fall into a few common traps. Avoiding these mistakes will help you stay consistent, save money, and actually enjoy the process. Prepping meals you don't actually enjoy. Stick to dishes you know, love, and look forward to eating. Making too many different recipes at once. It often leads to stress, clutter, and wasted time. Skipping labels without clear dates and names, you risk forgetting what's in each container. Not using your freezer, leftovers and extra meals can save you during unexpectedly busy weeks. Buying ingredients without a plan. Always shop with a list and check your pantry and fridge first to avoid spoilage and overspending. Start small and don't feel pressured to prep an entire week right away. Building good habits takes time. Frugal meal prep should make your life easier, not more complicated. Keep it simple, enjoyable, and tailored to your lifestyle for long-term success. There you have it, your complete guide to frugal meal prep for busy professionals. With just a few hours a week, you can eat better, spend less, and make weekday meals a breeze. Like this video if you found it helpful. Comment below your favorite go-to meal prep dish. Download our free printable meal prep planner in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for more frugal living and productivity tips. Until next time, eat smart, save big, and stay awesome.